project name is financial fraud detections. So our project focus on building that automated fraud detection system. So here we are using machine learning. So in that we are using two types of algorithm like random forest classifier and KNN, K nearest neighbor algorithms. So based on this, we will train the modules. After that, we'll predict whether the transaction is fraudulent or non-fraudulent. So like we will ask some input from the users. Based on that, we'll predict it is whether it is fraudulent or non-fraudulent. So this is our block diagram. So first we need to collect the data set. After that, we are pre-processing the data set. And then we are splitting that into testing and training. So, and then we are training that modules. So we are using two algorithm like KNN classifier and a random forest. After that, we'll get predict. This is our train code. So first we need to import the required libraries. So pandas, numpy. So numpy for the it work with the numerical numbers, and then matplotlib and the seaborn. So these two for the visualizations, and then we are importing this train test split from that sklearn model selections, and then this accuracy score, precision score, recall score. So we are using two module here, random forest classifier and k-neighbors classifiers. So by using joblib, we will save the module. So first we need to read the data set. So our data set in CSV file. So we are reading with the pandas data frame. So we are storing in DL. So in this DL, we are printing like first 5 rows. So shape is nothing but like how many rows and how many column it is. So we are printing that. After that, we are encoding that. So we are using here label encoding. So which is nothing but it will convert that categorical variable into that numerical variables. And then we are preparing which is features and which is target. So this is our features. Like we need to ask this as input from the users. So we are keeping Y as target, and then we are splitting the data set. Here for testing 20% we are splitting, and for training we are splitting as 80%. Here by using this we are filling that missing values. So whenever we are collecting data, no, that we will pre-process that. So while pre-processing, if any values missing means we will fill here. And then we are training KNN classifier model. First we are training this by using this field we are training. After that we are evaluating. While evaluating we are showing that accuracy, precision and recall. So after KNN we need to train this random forest classifier. Again we will show this accuracy, precision, recall by evaluations. So and then we are saving both the modules like by using this joblib, KNN classifier and the random forest classifier. So in this we will compare which model giving the highest accuracy, so that that model will take for the testing. So here for us given that random forest regression has the highest accuracy, so we are loading that train module. After that here also we are doing that label encoders, and then we are fitting it same categorical as the training. So here like it is cash loan, revolving loan. So this we will convert into 0, 1, like male means 0, female means 1, like that we will convert into the numerical. So this we will ask the input from the users. Based on that, it will predict the answers. So this is our app.py. So this is done by the Flask. So here it is class. For this class, I'm keeping one object, and that object name is double underscore name double underscore. So when that name is equal to main means our app will get run. So here I have created route for the home page, register, login, and logout, contact, and fraud detections. So we will interact from front end to the back end, and we will display in the front end. So this is our page. Like I have kept a login, register, contact, detections. So contact nothing but if you have any queries, you can contact. If you click send means this form will get to the admin, like email we will send. So that email will get this form. So after that registration, so if we already registered means we can directly log in. So while you directly click detection means first it will ask for login. So this is our data set, like randomly I'm taking here. So I'm taking this. Revolving female. Revolving female. So here it is showing that non-fraudulent transactions. So we have checked this. So here it is zero. Zero means non-fraudulent transaction. So based on this data set, we'll get whether it is fraudulent or not. So we'll check by this. So this is one no. So it should display as it is fraudulent. Cash loan mail. So here it is showing that fraudulent transactions. So based on this data set, we predict whether the transaction is fraudulent or non-fraudulent.